I started the DIY with a framed mirror and wooden ornaments that I purchased at Dollar Tree. I spray painted the frame of my mirror and my wooden ornaments with gold spray paint. Then I used Gorilla Hot Glue to attach my ornaments to my frame. I applied Mod Podge to each one of my hearts. Then I sprinkled gold glitter on top of my Mod Podge. I allowed this piece to completely dry. Then I removed the excess glitter. Next, I attached gold heart trim that I purchased at Hobby Lobby to a glass photo that I purchased at Dollar Tree. Once I was done adding the trim to my votive, this project was complete, and this is what it looked like. To add a little bit more bling, I added small gems to the tops of my hearts and one large gem to my votive. Thank you so much for watching. If you have enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss my next DIY.